Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a full guide on how to get all items to craft the lesser energy potion in Hytale. Now if I open up the alchemist workbench by pressing F, you'll see we need to get the empty potion bottle, the blue glowing mushroom, the azure mushrooms, and azure petals. Now the first thing to actually get an empty potion bottle you need is sand. You need to go ahead and get this sand from the ocean bed right here. As you can see, you need to get this sand. This sand is completely different from the sand you'll find in riverbeds. These are made up of rubble, as you can see. So get this type of sand right here, and then I want you to go back to your furnace. So let's go ahead and do that. Now here at the furnace, I want you to press F to open it up. Make sure you have fuel. You can use logs or you can use charcoal as well. And then here under input, I want you to place this sand. And then click here on turn on. And once this furnace is done converting the sand, it'll actually give us the empty potion bottles. Now the first thing I want you to actually do to get the blue glowing mushroom in Hytale, I want you to press M on your keyboard to open up the map, and I want you to look for these biomes like these. So they are covered by blue vegetation. I want you to look for that, and when you come here, you'll actually find these mushrooms, and you want to make sure you get the blue glowing one. So this one right here is common. These are easier to spot at night, but you'll find them in this biome. So to pick them up, you just press F, and as you can see, I've actually equipped myself with a blue glowing mushroom. To get azure cap mushrooms in Hytale, you need to first go ahead and open up your map, and then here towards the north you'll find this ice biome. And once you find this biome, you need to go and look for caves. Usually you'll find caves near these water bodies, and here in these caves you'll actually find the azure cap mushroom. So if I make my way up here, and let's go ahead and go inside here, usually you'll find these mushrooms pretty easily because they are glowing. And there you go, as you can see, we have actually found one. If I come here, as you can see, it says azure cap mushrooms. You can just press F to pick it up. There you go, I've equipped myself with the azure cap mushroom. Now to get azure petals in Hytale, I want you to first press M on your keyboard to open up the map, and then from here I want you to make your way to the north. Now here in the north you'll actually find the snow or ice biome, and here you'll find water bodies. Now near these water bodies are actually a lot of caves. Now if you go ahead and make your way inside these caves, for example I am doing it right now, there's usually water bodies in these caves, and you will actually find azure mushrooms growing in these water bodies. Usually they glow, so they're pretty easy to spot. So there is one right there. I think I found one. So make sure you equip a hatchet for yourself. If you don't have a hatchet, you can go ahead and craft one just by pressing tab on your keyboard. Here you go. We have found 2 azure mushrooms. I'll just go ahead and grab this one right here with this hatchet. So press 8 or wherever your hatchet is, just equip that, and then I'll come here and just left click on it, and as you can see, it actually drops azure petals. Now once you're done getting all the items, you just come here back to the alchemist workbench, press F, then click here for the lesser energy potion, and then you just go ahead and click on craft, and there you go, it is done crafting. As you can see, I have it right here, and that is how to get all items to craft the lesser energy potion in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. It really helps me out.